Hello, and welcome back to Dr. Elsa Victoria's channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural wellness to explore an extraordinary compound known as Myo Inositol. Often hailed as an unsung hero in the world of nutrition, Myo Inositol plays a crucial role in maintaining various bodily functions, paving the way for optimal health and vitality. Join me as we uncover the multifaceted benefits of Myo Inositol, from its impact on blood sugar regulation and hormonal balance to its potential for enhancing mood and supporting heart health. Let's unlock the secrets of this natural energy source and discover how it can empower you on your journey towards well-being. Myo Inositol, often referred to simply as inositol, belongs to a family of compounds known as vitamin B-like substances. While not technically a vitamin, it shares similarities with B vitamins in its role as a crucial component for various bodily processes. Myo Inositol is naturally present in our bodies and can also be obtained through certain foods. This versatile nutrient acts as a secondary messenger, facilitating communication between cells and influencing vital functions such as insulin signaling, hormone production, and neurotransmitter activity. In essence, Myo Inositol acts as a silent conductor, ensuring the smooth functioning of various systems within our bodies, ultimately contributing to our overall health and well-being. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is paramount for overall health, and Myo Inositol has emerged as a potential ally in this endeavor. Research suggests that Myo Inositol may play a role in improving insulin sensitivity, allowing our cells to utilize glucose more effectively. By enhancing insulin signaling, Myo Inositol may help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting individuals with insulin resistance or those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, it has been seen to help lower the risk of gestational diabetes. Myo Inositol's involvement in cellular processes related to glucose metabolism makes it a subject of ongoing research for its potential in promoting metabolic health. On another note, polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, is a hormonal disorder that affects many women, often causing irregular periods, acne, and fertility issues. Myo Inositol has garnered attention for its possible role in managing PCOS symptoms by addressing underlying hormonal imbalances. Studies suggest that Myo Inositol supplementation may improve insulin sensitivity in women with PCOS, which can positively impact hormone levels, potentially regulating menstrual cycles and reducing excess androgens. While more research is needed, Myo Inositol shows promise as a natural approach to managing PCOS symptoms and improving the quality of life for those affected. Beyond its physical health benefits, Myo Inositol has also piqued the interest of researchers exploring its potential impact on mental well-being. Emerging evidence suggests that Myo Inositol may influence neurotransmitter activity in the brain, particularly serotonin and dopamine, which play a crucial role in mood regulation. While further studies are needed, some indicate that Myo Inositol supplementation may help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Myo Inositol's potential to naturally support mood balance makes it an intriguing area of exploration for those seeking to enhance their mental well-being. Fortunately, there are multiple ways to incorporate Myo Inositol into your daily routine. Naturally present in various foods, Myo Inositol can be obtained through dietary sources such as beans, lentils, whole grains, nuts, and fruits like melon and oranges. While these foods contain Myo Inositol, the amounts are usually small. For those seeking a more concentrated dose, Myo Inositol supplements are available in various forms, including capsules, powders, and tablets. However, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. ensuring it aligns with your individual health needs and goals. When considering Myo Inositol supplementation, it's crucial to prioritize quality and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Dosage recommendations may vary depending on individual needs and the specific health concern being addressed. Opting for reputable brands that prioritize purity and third-party testing ensures you're receiving a high-quality supplement. While generally considered safe, Myo Inositol may cause mild side effects in some individuals, such as nausea or headaches, typically at higher doses. Starting with a lower dose and gradually increasing it as tolerated can help minimize potential side effects. Remember, prioritizing open communication with your healthcare provider is paramount when incorporating any new supplement into your wellness routine. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you found the information helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content on health, wellness, and lifestyle. See you next time.